Welcome to Bernard Farms, where we grow smart and save big. Today's video is about a powerful fly trap that you can make on your own using just a simple plastic bottle and a few kitchen ingredients. No chemicals, no cost, and it works like magic. Flies are not just annoying, they spread diseases, stress your chickens, and reduce growth. But with this simple DIY fly trap, you will see the difference in just a few days. In poultry farming, flies breed in wet droppings, leftover feed, and spilled water. They multiply fast. One female fly can lay over 100 eggs at once. Yes, you heard me right. Just one fly can lay over 100 eggs at once. Too many flies mean stressed chickens, poor feed intake, and even diseases like coccidiosis, so controlling them naturally is key. The materials you need to make the fly trap is one empty plastic bottle, 2 liters or more, a knife or scissors, sugar about 2 tablespoons, vinegar or apple cider vinegar about 2 tablespoons, water about half a cup, and a bit of soap, but it's optional. It helps trap the flies faster. The first step, you cut the bottle just below the neck. Step 2, in the bottom part, add sugar, vinegar, and water, then mix them well. Step 3, add a small drop of soap. This breaks the surface tension so flies drown easily. Step 4, take the top part of the bottle, turn it upside down like a funnel, and place it into the bottom part. Step 5, tape the edges to hold them firm. Step 6, place the trap away from your coop, but near waste areas. That's where flies love to go. So let me explain how it works. The smell of sugar and vinegar attracts the flies. They fly in through the funnel but can't find their way out and eventually drown. You can make as you need depending on the size of your poultry house. Replace the liquid every 3 to 5 days. This method is safe, chemical-free, and eco-friendly. It doesn't harm your birds or the environment, and it saves you money. Plus, fewer flies mean cleaner eggs, healthier chickens, and happier farmer. This fly trap is so important for you and your flock. Flies in poultry house are a serious threat to diseases. Here is why. Number 1, flies carry diseases causing germs. Flies feed and breed in manure, wet litter, and decaying matter, which are full of bacteria and viruses. When they move from waste to feed, water, or the beds, they spread diseases such as salmonella, fowl cholera, Newcastle, coccidiosis, indirectly by contaminating surfaces. 2, they contaminate food and water, leading to diseases outbreaks or poor growth. 3, they stress the birds. High fly population cause irritation and restlessness in chickens. This stress can reduce feed intake, egg production, and overall growth rate. And that's it, farmers, a simple do-it-yourself fly trap that works wonders for your poultry farm. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural poultry solutions. Comment below and tell me what's the biggest pest problem in your coop. Maybe it will be our next DIY project. Till next time, peace, love, and light.